Alright guys and girls, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Anthony Kenneth Bishop here on my channel. So my mum had to get a new Hoover today due to the other one seems to be sort of like smelling. It smells like it's burnt. Maybe it's the motor that's gone on it. Just a bit like my rotavator for the last couple of days. Keep making noises and it smells like maybe the motor's burnt out or something on the rotavator. So I've got to probably get another one of those at some point. But anyway, so what we got here, we got a Pifco. It's called Pifco 22.2 volt Power Pro cordless vacuum cleaner with turbo power brush, and it's a stairs pet hair power brush included. So basically you can turn that into a small one or a full size Hoover. So all the stuff will go like through the pipe here, and then it go into the little vacuum sort of device here for the bag. So let's have a look. Let's set this up like this, what we're getting here. It's more like an unboxing, and then I'll do like a sort of a demonstration video maybe at some point in a future video. It is the 10th today of May, I should say. 10th of May 2019. Right, so get the charger. I'm hoping that's is that a wall one? Maybe put on the wall, not too sure. And then we get the little pipes here, little brushes. Got one, so like a little extender. Oh, so that. Got another one here, sort of, supposed for corners and all of that. All comes in handy. What's this one here? Was that attached to this one here? Yeah, I think that might be attached to that. And what's this one? That might be the AC adapter or something with a charger. Let's have a look. Oh, power plug. Is that 3 pin? Yeah, is that 3? Yeah, that's a UK 3 pin plug. Don't mind giving us the wrong one. That must be for a smaller adapter, or is that a regular size? So I think that might be for handheld, this one. It's kind of small. So this might actually this one. And that's the handle bit. And then we get got a full size one here. The main one, so you've got a sort of a main one for the brush underneath for the main floors, and then you've got a sort of smaller version, so there's 2 of them built in, well not built in, but obviously you've got to put it on. So that one, too sure what this one. Oh, this might be the battery, is it? Yeah, it looks like the battery. Pifco technical Lion battery. Model 2. I don't know if you can see the model number there. 28040 or P28040. Sorry about shaking on my hand here, so I've got it in one hand gripping. There we go, 28040, and it's Pifco, just in case you need to get one yourself, or the model yourself, or maybe you want to get a battery for it yourself, like a spare one. Apparently 6 hours charge time, and then let's have a look. So let's get in here. So that's the main sort of one for it. So that'll be all the main collecting dust. That's your dust collector. And then you've got your long stem sort of pipe to pipe to connect it to. So not too bad. That's pretty much everything you get in here, really, actually. I just wonder if I can put it in there for a minute. Alright, I always keep these plastic bags out of the way of children. The thing is, they shouldn't really have these sort of plastic bags around. It's dangerous. There we go. So you clip that, take that off. And then you've got all the dust in there, it collects in, and then you just attach that back on somehow. I'll do that in a minute. But yeah, that's pretty much everything in the box here. Anyway, guys and girls, if you enjoyed this, do like, favourite. That's the battery. We've got the sort of stair carpet bit, or dog hair sort of thing. And then we've got the main sort of Power Pro, so that gives it some extra power once it's connected, turned on to. It's a brushless, I think, motor. Anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching, stay safe, hope you enjoyed this as much as I am doing these ones. If you enjoyed the video, do like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe. Cheers for watching and stay safe all.